Assalamualaikum, my name is Hadi and this is my partner Adlan.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Adlan and today we're going to present Chapter 9 Textbook Science from
Textbook
Space Weather.
Space and Weather. Now, let's get started.
Firstly, let's study the activities of the sun that affect the Earth. The sun appears as a ball of glowing gases that consists mostly of hydrogen and helium. Let's look into the structure of the sun. There are three layers that form the sun's atmosphere, which is corona, chromosphere, and photosphere. And then we got convection zone, radiation zone, and core of the sun.
There are many phenomena that occur on the surface of the sun, such as granule transport, solar cycle, prominence, solar flare, coronal mass ejection, and solar wind. Okay, next I'm going to explain about all the phenomena that occur on the surface of the sun. First, we have sunspot. Sunspot always appear dark and has lower temperature than their surrounding areas, which are made up of granules. Next, we have granule. Granule appear as grainy structure. Appear part of the convection zone of the plasma. Average diameter of granule is always about 1000 km. Next, we have the solar cycle. The variety of sunspots that seem appear and disappear according to a cycle that lasts 11 years, known as the solar cycle.
Then we got prominence. Prominence is a huge loop or arc volume of glowing gases over the sunspot. It can reach heights of hundreds of thousands of kilometers and may last for several days or even months. It can throw up the matter from the sun into space or speeds ranging from 600 km per second to the power of -1 to more than 1000 km per second to the power of -1. And then we got solar flares. Solar flares is a column of large amounts of charged gases erupting from the sun and often occur near sunspots. It is strong and have a spectacular explosion of gases. They attain their maximum brightness level within a few seconds or minutes and then become dim after a few minutes or hours. Charged gas particles often collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere to produce aurora, which uniquely occurs only in the airspace around Earth's poles.
Now, I'm going to explain about coronal mass ejection. Coronal mass ejection is a huge cloud of plasma that erupt from the sun and often occur together with solar flare, which are huge and strong. An ejection of magnetic gas particles spark magnetic particles at a high speed into outer space and appear like a spider cloud. It can take 3 days for the magnetic particle to reach Earth. Magnetic gas particle react with atom and molecule in Earth atmosphere to produce aurora. Now, we're going to talk about solar wind. Solar wind is a particle such as electron, proton, and alpha particle that erupt from the sun to the outer space together at a high speed, known as solar wind. Solar wind also carries an interplanetary magnetic field along it. The speed of solar wind is 200 km per second to 700 km per second. However, the speed, temperature, and intensity of the solar wind will change along the course it moves. Now, we can talk about Earth magnetosphere and its content. We're going to study about Earth magnetic field and Earth magnetosphere.
Let's look into the definition of Earth's magnetosphere. What is Earth's magnetosphere? Earth's magnetosphere is defined as a region in outer space surrounding Earth where the magnetic field in the Earth's magnetosphere is a combination of Earth's magnetic field, known as the prime magnetic field, and the magnetic field in the region in outer space. Then we study the formation of Earth's magnetosphere. Magnetosphere is formed by the interaction between the magnetic brought by the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. As the number and energy of particles brought by the solar wind change, the shape of the magnetosphere also changes.
Now, we're going to talk about the importance of Earth and magnetosphere. The importance of magnetosphere is to protect Earth from the adverse effects caused by dangerous particles from the sunlight or other bodies in the universe. If you don't understand, you can check the picture.
Now I'm going to continue on the importance forms of Earth and magnetosphere. The magnetosphere functions as a biological shield to protect life on Earth from the adverse effects of solar wind. It blocks charged particles such as electrons, protons, and alpha particles in the solar wind from reaching Earth. Excessive numbers of charged particles in Earth's atmosphere will disrupt telecommunication, navigation system, and electric power lines. And it also can reduce the pressure exerted by solar wind on Earth's atmosphere.
I'm going to explain about space weather and effect on Earth. Space weather is defined as phenomena that occur on the surface of the sun and in space. Space weather such as solar flare, prominent sunspot, coronal mass ejection is occur on the surface of the sun. But the space weather of solar wind, solar radiation storm, and geomagnetic storm occur in space.
Now, let's see interpretation of data on space weather. Data on space weather is used or analyzed to forecast when coronal mass ejections occur in the sun, or to determine the reasons for the occurrence of solar flares and coronal mass ejections on the surface of the sun.
Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video.
You were the one